It's my honor and privilege to present to you Richnest by LIFEPAGE Cooperative. Richnest by LIFEPAGE Coop is essentially a co-ownership scheme. The idea that we have with the co-ownership scheme under LIFEPAGE Cooperative is that we can co-create, co-own, and then co-earn.
Welcome to Acacia Homes and Apartments, where luxury meets serenity. Nestled in the central part of Lakwe, Lagos, Acacia Homes shares a border with the renowned Lakwe Lakes Golf and Country Estate. The excitement doesn't end within the community. Explore nearby attractions such as the Lekki Conservation Center, the Free Trade Zone, Lakapine Tropicana, Dangote Refinery, and more. We invite you to become a part of our legacy by owning a piece of luxury and tranquility in Acacia.